Hi, welcome back to Wellness with Ayona. Dear friends, it's a common question for us in our practice. Is there any recipe for people struggling with bloating or poor digestion? And here is a special recipe your gut will enjoy. Just 1 cup of sprouted moong, which is the main ingredient, gives you 14 grams of plant protein, 15 grams of gut-loving fiber, good fat, and natural prebiotics that heal your gut from inside. Let's make this Ayurvedic dosha balancing sabji that boosts immunity and keeps your tummy happy. Ingredients for 2 servings: 1 teaspoon ghee, half teaspoon cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida or hing, 10 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger, half bowl chopped tomatoes, 1 cup sprouted mung beans, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh coriander leaves. Pressure cook the sprouts. In a pressure cooker, add 1 cup sprouted mung beans with 1 cup water. Cook for 2 whistles and keep aside. Prepare the tempering. Heat 1 teaspoon ghee in a pan. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida and curry leaves. Roast for few seconds until aromatic. Add 1 teaspoon grated ginger and half bowl chopped tomatoes. Sprinkle salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder. Cover with the lid and cook until tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Add spices and sprouts. Add the cooked sprouted mung beans, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well. Now take 5 tablespoons of this cooked mixture, grind it into a smooth paste and return it to the pan. Add 1 cup of water and cook on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes until slightly thick. Finish with 1 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. Serve warm with steamed rice. So that's our light, wholesome and protein-packed sprouted moong sabji. Did you know sprouted moong is rich in resistant starch and soluble fiber that feed your good gut bacteria, improve digestion and reduce bloating naturally. It's also packed with antioxidants and easy to digest plant protein, making it perfect for all doshas and body types according to Ayurveda. If you want a happy gut, better immunity and sustained energy, include this simple sabji in your meals at least 2 or 3 times a week. Heal your gut, live with joy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy, natural, holistic and Ayurvedic recipes that heal your gut and nourish your body. See you in the next video.